This is a 36-inch bar clamp from Harbor Freight. It's about eight bucks. And these are the pads that come on it. They can just pop off like this. This is the 3D printed part. Has a slot here for a 1/2 inch piece of aluminum, which slides in here. And then I'm just gonna Gorilla Glue that. I've set it up so about an inch will stick out once I cut all these. And then you take them and you can pop them. They're a little tight, but they should fit well. So there's one, and here's two. And once you have the bar in them, they can be used just like any other deck spacer type application. So if you're interested, I can post this. It's just 3D print, and they're pretty solid, but they pop off pretty easily. They'll do for pressure, I think. And that's it.